Good day, grade 11. Once again, I am your student teacher, Miss Elaine. Our topic for today is all about molar mass. So, the mass in grams of one mole of the element, compound, or molecule. The mole allows us to talk about how much we have of a substance in reasonable units or grams rather than extremely small units, AMU. So last time, uh, we tackled about what was our last topic? Okay, yung Avogadro's. So we use Avogadro's constant number to measure extremely small units. So yun yung mga small entities. But now, in terms of molar mass, okay, we are going to measure the elements uh, using grams. So we all know that using grams we can do chemistry. So units of molar mass is equal to grams per mole. Actually, mga anak, sobrang dali lang nito. So if you remember the steps in molecular mass, how to find molecular mass, so same lang din siya. So ang pinagkaiba lang nilang dalawa is when we say a molecular mass, the unit used for molecular mass is AMU for you. While molar mass, same procedure, same step, but different when it comes to their unit. So sa molar mass, grams per mole siya. So now, step 1, how many sodium atoms are in one sodium chloride compound? So all you have to do is to find the mass of sodium in a compound. So we do have here sodium and chloride. So mass of sodium in the compound. So if you're going to double check your periodic table, the mass or the atomic weight of sodium is 22 Okay, 22.99. So we are going to use two decimal places. So dahil 0.99 siya, so magra-round off siya. So ang 22.99 is magiging whole number. So how many sodium? 1. So the mass of sodium in the compound is 23 grams. But remember ha mga ano, always na gagamitin natin ang two decimal places. But there's some instances na may mga periodic table na hindi same yung kanilang decimal places. For instance, there are some instances na ang atomic mass ni sodium is 22.99 pero sa other periodic table parang 23.00 na siya. So, for instance, ang atomic weight ni sulfur is 32.06 pero other periodic table is ano na siya 32.1. But we are going to use decimal places. So if ever na ganun ang periodic table nyo, so at is pa rin tayo. Okay, gamitin natin ang two decimal places. And if ever na magkaroon tayo ng mga pagkakaiba, so sa decimal places lang naman yan. But when it comes to whole number, so hindi. Hindi po. So sa decimal point lang tayo magkakatalo. So how many chlorine atoms are in one sodium compound, a sodium chloride compound? So isa pa din. So ang mass of chlorine in the compound is 35.45 grams. So if you're going to double check the grams of mass, the mass of chlorine, so 35.45. Actually 35.453. Kaya lang two decimal places lang ang ating gagamitin. So, ang katabi ni 5 is less than 3. So, we don't need to add 1. Okay? Because less than 3 siya. So, at is pa rin siya 35.45. So, step 2, molar mass sodium chloride. So, second, add the mass of each element in the compound together. So, mass of compound A plus mass of compound B is equal to molar mass of AP. So, we are going to substitute the given. So, 23 grams plus 35.45 grams is equal to 58.45 grams. Okay? So, gram per mole. Okay, now we have here another example. So calculate the molar mass of dichlorine heptoxide. So sa sodium chloride kanina, dahil isa lang naman siya, so ikakopy na lang natin yung atomic weight or atomic mass ng isang element. While dito, we do have your what we call dichlorine. So when you say di means two, hepto, okay, hep it means seven. Okay, it means seven oxygen. Okay, now, okay, how many chlorine na makikita natin dito sa dichlorine heptoxide? So when it comes to chlorine 2, kay oxygen is 7. So we need to find the atomic weight or the mass of these two elements. So in our periodic table, chlorine is 34.45 and then oxygen is 16. Okay, 16 but nakalagay sa periodic table natin is 15.99. So since greater than 5 and we need to use two decimal places when it comes to uh, sa kanyang decimal places, so we need to add 1 pagka greater than 5 siya. So dahil 15.99, so magiging 16 na siya. So all you have to do is to multiply 2 times 34.45 and then 7 times 16 is equal to, okay, 2 times 34.5 is 68.9. 7 times 16 is equal to 112 and all you need to do is to add. Okay, 68 plus 9 ay 68.9 plus 112 is equal to 180.9 gram per mole. So don't forget to put the unit when it comes to molar mass, okay? So ganun lang siya kasimple actually. Okay? So sa next in our live session, magkakaroon tayo ng activity. So feeling ko magiging madali lang naman 'yun sa inyo. So don't forget to put the proper units for molar mass. And that's all for today mga anak. So hindi ko na disclose yung next slide kasi that would be our activity in our live session. Okay, thank you for watching my pre-recorded video, mga anak. Hindi ko na siya actually tinagalan kasi alam ko madali lang to sa inyo. So that's all for today. Goodbye.